What is MLOps? MLOps ML models को production में deploy करना सीखे. A data scientist built a model, 95% accuracy. Everyone was happy. They deployed it and the models completely crashed. ये सिर्फ एक story नहीं है. This is the reality of 87% of the data scientists out there. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. अगर आप पहली बार आ रहे हो, do one thing right now. Hit that subscribe button because today we are starting a brand new series, that is MLOps series. Today is part 1 and in this video we are going to cover what exactly is MLOps in the simplest possible way, why 87% of ML projects never make it to production, the 3 pillars of MLOps that every engineer must know, Google's maturity level framework, where does your company stand, and at the end, actual Python code with MLflow. So grab your chai, open your notepad, और चलते हैं. Let us go. Guys, let me tell you a real story. A company gave their data science team 6 months to build a product recommendation engine. The team worked day in and day out. They ran hundreds of experiments. Final model accuracy 94%. The presentation was amazing. Everyone applauded. And then came the time to actually deploy it to the production. The model stopped working. Why? Because the production data was completely different from the training data. There was no versioning, there was no monitoring, कोई pipeline नहीं थी. The whole thing fell apart. And this was not just their mistake. It is a systematic problem that happens everywhere. Startups, MNC, everywhere. Think about it like this. Imagine a civil engineer who designs a bridge only on paper, never tests it under real traffic, never tests it in rain or extreme heat. And then when people start using this bridge, टूट जाता है. MLOps is that engineering discipline that makes sure your ML bridge does not collapse in the production. Simple, right? अब आगे चलते हैं. Now you might say, bhai, this sounds like just one company's problem, but look at that industry numbers. These are real stats. 87% of machine learning models are never deployed to production, ever. They just sit in Jupyter notebooks. And among the ones that do get deployed, they take 3 times longer without proper MLOps practices. The MLOps market is projected to hit roughly 2.5 lakh crores globally by 2030. What does that mean for you? It means companies are desperately hiring MLOps engineers right now. Google, Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, सबको चाहिए. And the salary? With just 2 to 4 years of experience, you are looking at 18 to 30 LPA easily. So this is not just an intellectually interesting topic. This directly impacts your career and your paycheck. अब पूरा ध्यान यहाँ लगाओ. Okay, so let's now understand what exactly is MLOps. And I promise I'll keep this super simple. MLOps is a combination of 3 things. First, ML, that is machine learning. Building models, running experiment, choosing algorithm. This is what most data scientists already do. Second, dev, software development, writing clean code, version control with Git, writing tests. This is what software engineers do. Third, ops, operations, deployment, monitoring, scaling, automation. ये DevOps engineers का काम होता है traditionally. When all three come together, that is MLOps. The official definition, MLOps is a set of practices to deploy and maintain ML models in production reliably and efficiently. अब एक और analogy. Think of a really talented chef. He makes amazing food at home, बिल्कुल perfect. But running a restaurant is completely different game. In a restaurant, you need consistency, scale, quality control, staff management, inventory, etc. etc. Building an ML model is like being that talented chef. MLOps is like running the restaurant operations. दोनों equally important है. One without the other does not work. ML lifecycle versus MLOps lifecycle. Now let's look at side-by-side comparison. Traditional ML lifecycle versus the MLOps lifecycle. In the traditional approach, the workflow is collect data, train model, evaluate, done. And then nothing. The model just sits there. कोई monitoring नहीं, कोई retraining नहीं, एक बार बना, बस हो गया. In the MLOps lifecycle, every stage is defined, automated, and connected. You have a data pipeline, then experiment tracking, then model registry, then CI/CD for deployment, and finally a monitor and retrain loop. Notice that word loop. In MLOps, it never really ends. The models keep learning, keeps improving, keeps updating automatically. Think of it as a difference between a manual factory from 1950s versus a modern automated factory. दोनों factories में product बनते हैं, but one is consistent, scalable, and reliable, and that's the MLOps factory. Okay, this is one of the most important slides in the entire video, the three pillars of MLOps. Note karo zarur. Pillar number one, reproducibility. This means same code, same data, same result every single time. Does not matter who runs it or when. कभी ऐसा हुआ है you ran an experiment and got 95% accuracy, दूसरी बार same code run किया और result was 87%. That's a reproducibility problem. Tools like MLflow and DVC solve exactly this. Pillar number two, automation. Stop doing manual work. Convert every manual step into a pipeline. Set up CI/CD so that your model is automatically tested, automatically trained, and automatically deployed whenever new data arrives or code changes. Pillar number three, monitoring. Deploying a model is not the finish line, it's the starting line. You have to track performance, detect data drift, set up alerts, build dashboard. Production में सब कुछ track होना चाहिए. One more analogy, think of a modern car. Reproducibility means the car is assembled the same way every time on the assembly line. Automation means the assembly line itself runs without humans manually doing every step. Monitoring means the car has sensors that tell you when the engine needs service, tires are low, battery is draining. तीनों मिलके एक reliable safe car बनती है. Maturity levels. Google publish a really useful framework called as MLOps maturity levels. There are three levels. ये इंटरव्यू में भी पूछा जाता है. So listen carefully. Level 0, manual process. This is where most companies are right now. Everything is done manually. Jupyter notebook, Python script, no proper pipeline. The data scientist train the model, manually packages it, manually deploys it. Very fragile. Level 1, ML pipeline automation. Training is now automated. There's a feature store for consistent feature engineering. Continuous training pipeline means the model retrains itself when new data arrives. This is where good companies are. Level 2, CI/CD pipeline automation. This is full MLOps maturity. Every code change automatically triggers testing, training, evaluation, and deployment. Complete automation. यहाँ सिर्फ Netflix, Google, Uber जैसी कंपनी है. Here's the opportunity. Most companies are still at level 0. अगर आप level 1 और level 2 का knowledge रखते हो, you become extremely valuable to them. That's your competitive advantage. Key components. MLOps has 6 key components. Let me quickly walk you through each one. Data versioning, track every change in your datasets. Tool, DVC, experiment tracking, log every model run, every parameter. Tool, MLflow, weights and biases. Model registry, a central place to store and version your train model. Tool लगता है इसको MLflow. AWS SageMaker, CI/CD for machine learning, automated testing and deployment pipelines. Tool, GitHub Actions, Jenkins. Model serving, expose your model as an API. Tool है Fast API. TensorFlow serving, monitoring. Watch your model in production. Tool is evidently AI, Prometheus and Grafana. Important tip, इन सब को एक साथ स्टार्ट नहीं करना है. शुरुआत करो MLflow से. It's the most popular, most asked in interviews and easiest to learn. Then gradually add more tools. Real world use case. अब बात करते हैं एक real world example की. Let's talk about Zomato's delivery ETA production model. Zomato has lakhs of orders every single day. Their machine learning model predicts how many minutes will your food take to arrive. With MLOps, here's what would happen. The model is trained once, then production data changes, weather pattern change, new restaurant open, traffic pattern shift, festival happens, the model becomes outdated, ETAs become inaccurate, and customer get angry, reviews drop, revenue falls. With MLOps, here how it actually works. Step number 1, automated data pipeline. Every single order, every delivery agent event is automatically ingested and processed. कोई manual step नहीं है इसमें. Second number step is automated training. Every Monday, the model automatically retrains itself with the latest data. No one has to manually kick it off. Step number 3, A/B testing. The new model is tested against the old model with a 50-50 traffic split before full rollout, safe deployment. Step number 4, monitoring. If the RMS see the prediction error goes above 5 minutes, an automatic alert fires. The team itself is notified instantly. Result, 30% better ETS, 40% fewer support complaints. Revenue impact, hundreds of crores. यही है MLOps का real world power. Let's quickly look at the MLOps tools landscape for 2025. Don't get overwhelmed. You don't need to learn all of this. Data category, DVC, great expectation, FIST, training and experiment tracking, MLflow, weights and biases, Kubeflow, SageMaker, model serving, Fast API, Bento ML, Triton, Torch Serve, monitoring, evidently AI, Prometheus, Grafana, Y-Labs, orchestration, Apache Airflow, Prefect, ZenML, Metaflow. Pro tip for interviews or jobs, start with MLflow, DVC plus Fast API. यही कॉम्बिनेशन मोस्ट कंपनीज यूज करती है और यही इंटरव्यूज में मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली पूछा जाता है. बाकी टूल्स आते जाते रहेंगे as you grow. Now we'll see Python code. All right, now the fun part is let's write some actual code. बिल्कुल simple 10 lines और आप अपना first ML ops experiment track कर सकते हो. First install MLflow, open your terminal and run, write down pip install MLflow. That's it. Now let's write a code. Import MLflow, ये pip install MLflow, MLflow.set experiment MV model with MLflow.start run, MLflow.log underscore param, LR, 0.01, MLflow log metrics accuracy 0.95, MLflow.sklearn.log underscore model. अब ब्राउजर में जाओ, http localhost 5000 खोले. What is this doing? Line by line. Set experiment. आप अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट को एक नाम देते हो. स्टार्ट रन, एक न्यू एक्सपेरिमेंट रन शुरू होता है. लॉग अंडरस्कोर पैरामीटर, आप अपना लर्निंग रेट ट्रैक करते हो. एवरी रन का पैरामीटर सर्व हो जाता है. लॉग अंडरस्कोर मेट्रिक एक्यूरेटली लॉग हो रही है तो आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो रन 1 में एक्यूरेसी क्या थी, रन 5 में क्या थी. लॉग अंडरस्कोर मॉडल, पूरा ट्रेन मॉडल सेव हो जाता है, कभी भी वापस लोड कर सको. और फिर सिंपली रन करो MLflow UI इन योर टर्मिनल और ब्राउजर में लोकल होस्ट 5000 खोले. यूल सी अ ब्यूटीफुल डैशबोर्ड विथ ऑल योर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. यही है आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप इनटू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ MLOps. सीधा और सिंपल. Before we wrap up, let me tell you 5 most common MLOps mistakes I see so that you don't make them. Mistake number 1, no model versioning. People just override their models. Fix, always use MLflow or DVC to version every single model. Mistake 2, ignoring training serving skew. Your training data and production data are different and you don't even know it. Fix, monitor feature distribution in production. Mistake 3, manual deployments. Someone is manually SSHing into a server and running a script. उसको fix कैसे कर सकते हैं? Automate everything with GitHub Actions or Jenkins. Mistake 4, no data validation. Garbage data enters, garbage predictions comes out. Fix, use great expectations or Pandera to validate data at every stage. Mistake 5, सेटिंग अप मॉनिटरिंग ओनली आफ्टर समथिंग ब्रेक्स. बहुत देर हो जाती है तब तक. फिक्स, सेटअप एविडेंटली AI एंड डैशबोर्ड फ्रॉम डे वन. आई हैव सीन ऑल ऑफ दिस मिस्टेक्स हैपन इन रियल कंपनीज. अब आप इन्हें अवॉइड कर सकते हो. इंटरव्यू टिप्स. ओके, इंटरव्यू सेक्शन, ये वाला सेगमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. स्टूडेंट्स और जॉब सीकर्स ध्यान लगाओ. क्वेश्चन 1 है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन DevOps एंड MLOps? द की आंसर here, mention model drift, data versioning, experiment tracking. These are unique to machine learning model. These are unique to machine learning model. Then a regular DevOps pipeline does not have to worry about whether your model accuracy has degraded over time. Question 2, how do you handle model drift in production? Mention evidently AI for drift detection, set up automatic retraining triggers, monitor both data distribution and model performance metrics. Question 3, explain your CI/CD pipeline for a machine learning model. Give them the full flow, code change, unit test, model training, model evaluation. If metrics pass, deploy, monitor in production. Question 4, what is a feature store and why it is important? Answer, it's a central repository for features that ensures consistency between training and serving. Tools, FIST and hops works. Bonus tip, in almost every MLOps interview, candidates forget to mention monitoring and retraining strategy. अगर आप ये mention करते हो, you immediately stand out. Most candidates skips it. Don't be that person. A quick recap now. All right, let's do a simple quick recap. 60 seconds में सब कुछ करते हैं. 1. MLOps equal ML plus Dev plus Ops. It's the bridge between experimentation and production. 2. The three pillars, reproducibility, automation, and monitoring, तीनों equally important है. 3. Maturity levels 0, 1, and 2. Most companies are at level 0 right now. It's a huge opportunity. 4. Key tools, MLflow, DVC, Fast API, Evidently AI, and Airflow. Start with MLflow. 5. Python, MLflow, log underscore param, and MLflow log underscore metric. 10 लाइन से शुरू करो आज ही. If you remember this, just these 5 points, you are already ahead of 80% of the people who say they know MLOps. Slide 15, roadmap. Now let's look at what's coming next in the series. Part 1 आप यहाँ है, आप यहाँ हो. Part 2, MLflow deep dive. We'll go really deep into experiment tracking, model registry, everything. DVC is part 3, DVC for data and model versioning. Version control के लिए for machine learning, just like Git, but for data. Part 4, building machine learning pipelines with Apache Airflow, full production grade pipelines. Part 5, deploying models with Fast API and Docker, end-to-end deployments on a real server. Subscribe button अभी दबाओ seriously ताकि कोई भी part miss ना हो. Slide number 16, call to action. All right guys, that's a wrap up for part 1 of the MLOps series. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी और आप genuinely hope करता हूँ कि लगी, then please do 4 things. Like करो, it takes 2 seconds and really helps the channel grow. Subscribe करो with bell notification ताकि part 2 आते ही आपके पास notification आए. शेयर करो, अपने एक फ्रेंड को भेजो जो डेटा साइंस सीख रहा है, उनका भी भला होगा. कमेंट करो, नीचे लिखो मैं MLOps सीखने आ गया या फिर आ गई. Personally read every single comment. I personally read every single comment and I reply to as many as I can. And hey, अगर कोई concept unclear रहा, कोई doubt है, कोई question है, just drop it in comments. मैं ज़रूर answer करूँगा. Part 2 coming very soon. MLflow का full deep dive. It is going to be very, very practical, lots of code. Until then, keep learning, keep building. See you in the next one. Thank you, everyone, and happy learning. Bye.